The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. Thank you so much to you who always makes time, whether this is the mark where you need to sit down, tell your colleagues to just a little bit, because this is your moment. In the car, everyone knows it is you and Ask a Man. At home, wherever you are. Past few days have been, I think the power of Ask a Man was within this week. Let's see and, in fact, find out who is our anonymous this morning. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning, Coach.
How are you, my love?
I'm well, thank you.
It's so nice hearing a lady this week. You're going to wrap up our week. I hope you are comfortable wherever you are, and no one is going to disrupt our session this morning, eh?
Yes, of course.
Perfect. Our house rules, my lady. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do.
We are all ears. The Naked DJ and Somizi are here. What's going on?
So my one is a bit different. It does not involve cheating or anything. So I am, or I was, I don't know, in a long distance relationship. I'd rather not say what city we're in. So I am in a long distance relationship. We went to visit sometime.
Am I the only one? I can't hear.
You can't hear her?
Nyamuza, loud and clear.
Anonymous, your phone is on your ear, right?
Yes, it's not on loudspeaker.
Where do you think it?
Put it on the chest.
Wow.
On the chest?
No,
Anonymous.
No, don't do that, girl.
Okay. I maybe it was my headphones. I missed the part. So I heard that you know it's not about cheating. And then I didn't hear anything.
In a long distance relationship.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's carry on, my love.
Right. So I am in a I don't know what's happening, was in a long distance relationship. I went to visit. So I'm a person that eats like a small portion of food, right? Or sometimes I just don't eat at all. So it's not a big deal because I'm used to that. So I went to visit. When I get there, I guess it's the same routine that I was doing, maybe eat breakfast around 1 or whatever. So he noticed that, no, something is off about you. Like, why are you not eating like 3 times a day or something? And then I explained, no, like, it's not a huge deal. This is how, like, I do it, more especially because I work international hours. So I'm like, this is how I do it, and our times are different. So I tried explaining to him, but he did not like understand. I even lied at some point, and I was like, no, I'm fasting. And then he didn't understand. So we had a very big argument some other time. We went out, and then he asked me to take pictures with his phone. And when I finished taking the pictures, I was looking through the pictures that I was taking, and then he was like, please don't go through the pictures. And then that came as a shock to me. I left the phone, and then I went to the car. We went home. So when I got home, I just went straight to bed. And he was angry that I went straight to bed. We didn't eat first, and then I can go and sleep. Right? I tried explaining that I was not hungry, and also I was frustrated. I was disappointed or emotional, rather, regarding the fact that he said I must not touch his phone. I must not go through the pictures that I just took. So that is it. Then he also mentioned that, no, I realized that you're not eating a lot, and you not eating is leading to bed breath. And now you having
Wait, Anonymous, please slow down for me. Please slow down. Okay, you're not eating a lot, and what?
Leading her to have
right. So he's saying that I am not eating like the way that a human is supposed to eat.
Yeah.
So it's leading to a bad breath, and he feels like sometimes when I'm speaking, he's not able to hear me because he feels like I'm speaking from from hunger. I don't have anything.
Wow.
So he doesn't understand. So he doesn't understand what's going on. So I was like, no, like there's nothing. Like I'm like this, but I don't know the bed, the part for bed break. He was
Like
like
halitosis.
Yeah. So he was like, he's not able to be affectionate and get close to me due to that. And I was like, why didn't you say this the first time you encountered the bedbed? Why didn't you tell me? Because sometimes I could not smell myself, but you can. So why didn't you say anything? And bear in mind, it has been like a week being there. So like, why didn't you say anything? And then he was like, no, I didn't want to offend you or something like that. So now I didn't understand where they're coming from, because it was not my first time visiting this person, and I did do the same routine, and still there was nothing wrong. But the second time around, when I came, all of a sudden my procedure of eating or the way that I eat is becoming a problem. So I didn't know that it was his way of saying, no, please go back to your place, I'm tired of you now, or he was being genuine, because he didn't want to fix things. He didn't want to talk about it. He was just like, no, I can't do this anymore. And then that was it. And I was like, this is something that we can fix. It's not like a huge deal. It's not like you were cheating. It's not a huge deal at all. It's something that we can fix, and I can be able to increase my portions. I don't know. So
Wait, Anonymous. Can I just quickly ask, do you drink enough water also?
Pardon me?
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, during the day.
Okay, and you brush regularly?
Yes.
Excuse me.
We bath in the evening. We shower. We brush our teeth. In the morning, it's the same routine.
Okay.
Did I just die and wake up at Gordon Ramsay's house?
Why?
What in the Gordon Ramsay is going on here?
She's got halitosis, bad breath.
No.
That's what he is saying.
Yes.
Only when she doesn't eat, and this is not the first person it happens
Absolutely.
to. A lot of people, if you don't, maybe you spend the whole day without eating, or you take, big breaks before your next meal. It does happen.
Sure.
So
but as a grown-up human being, you must know these things, that it doesn't have to be a big meal, but because of my breath, let me have an apple.
Yes.
Or let me have a banana.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Just so that you can have something in your stomach.
Correct.
As a grown adult, I was hoping, Anonymous, you should know this. And nobody else has ever said this to you before.
No.
Okay.
So clearly you don't eat when you're naked, Mus.
No, but I'm
naked, work with me. You're slow. No, Anonymous got it.
Went over his head. It's
You
fine.
got it, Anonymous, right?
I did.
Yes, he's still he's trying to explain.
He's deep within, bruh.
He's dizzy from the halitosis. Woo. How Anonymous, but whom?
We good, ne?
Yeah, we're good. We're
okay.
good. Let's carry on with the what we're supposed to do.
Okay, let me go through to the news headlines. Anonymous, hang 10 for us. We'll come back, okay?
No problem.
Thank you, my love.
It's where you want to be.
All right, 32 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got Anonymous on the line. She is right here. Now, Anonymous was in a long-distance relationship with her partner. She doesn't have a huge appetite and eats small portions. While she was recently visiting a partner, they got into an argument because of her eating patterns, with him saying that her breath smells bad as a result of her not eating enough. He then said, he can't live with the odor of her breath. She left his place, tried reaching out later to speak to him about the situation, but he doesn't seem interested in discussing the matter further. And I want to apologize and retract because, yes, halitosis is the persistent of bad breath. And she's just saying it's, small things like
when
hunger.
she hasn't eaten.
You get what I'm saying?
It's
So
not even hunger.
I'll remove it.
It's when she hasn't eaten.
There we go.
You know what I mean?
100%. Anonymous, we're on the same page, right?
Yes, we are.
And I'm removing halitosis. It's done.
Please remove it.
I'm done.
bad.
I apologize. I do. It's not persistent bad breath, correct?
Where is he right now? I want to talk to him.
He's running away from
Naked, wait, man.
You want to talk to who, Soniki? Sorry.
Yeah, where is he?
He's not around.
Ish, I wanted him because I'm like, my guy. Like,
What?
there's bigger problems in the world. There is.
Bad breath is a big problem.
Yes. No, it's
No,
not.
guys.
So,
No.
how is this tone? For me, I think, again, it's the tone. You know, when you talk to your partner, like me and my friends, we have a code. Ne? When one of us has a
Bad breath.
bad breath, it could be in the car or anywhere, and there's other people, and then we have a code, a nice code, and we know,
Yeah.
or it's either he goes, anyone for come, yabo,
Yes.
and then we know to get better. Mara, if the strangers would go, woo, usidumbu, ngathi kunesidumbu la, yabo,
Okay.
or something. Yabo.
Yeah.
And we would know, like in the car, like maybe they would go, whoa, stupu.
Then you know.
Then I know that I
yeah.
didn't stup. And then,
No, I get it. And it also happens, it's not just with bad breath, but sometimes it's when you need to put, or you've had spicy food and you need something for ikwapa.
Ikwapa,
You know what I
yes.
mean?
Exactly.
So people that love each other have those codes and they're able to
The
conversate.
tone. The tone.
Yeah, the tone.
The tone is very good. Because if someone can go, woo, umlomo wako, then it hits differently and it's not nice. How is his tone?
Right. While you're speaking of gum, actually, you just reminded me of something. So we were going somewhere, then he offered a gum. Maybe I didn't get offended because I don't have a problem with the gum, right? So he did say it during our conversation or argument, rather, that I even offered you a gum. The day that I offered you a gum, I was actually trying to show you that there is a problem. I was like, but you didn't say anything. You just asked if I wanted a gum. You never told me that, like, you see, there is a problem. You just said, if you want a gum, that was it.
But now
And
you must
also,
read your partner.
Pardon?
How can you guys don't play around? You're not able to read your partner.
Say it, snakehead.
No, but you guys take offense. Guys, women take offense to...
Don't womanize it.
They do.
Don't. Don't.
So, Mizi,
It's
when
a
is the
tone.
last time? Yeah?
It's a tone.
So, Mizi, women, most women,
Thank you.
they just cannot take criticism. It's not even criticism. It's just when you tell them something, then it has to be a fight. It's like, fagi roloni kwapa lianuga. Ija gam. Your breath is kicking like
It's
Van
tone.
Damme.
You are that
It's
guy
tone,
when.
yeah.
When
You
you are that guy,
You're
can
too
tell you.
direct.
No, I'm not that guy.
No,
He's
that's not
too
that.
direct.
He's rude.
So
Yeah,
what am
no.
I supposed to say
No.
if your breath smells?
No.
Did you hear what she said?
Aring.
She said the guy gave her gum. Ne?
Yes.
Sharp. Life moved on. And then later the guy says, even that day I gave you a gum and you did not understand. You could have said, babe, here's a gum because of it's just the
But
two
he's
of them.
scared.
No.
Man, how's the problem going to be solved if
Exactly.
you're scared?
Maybe
man?
Anonymous is
Exactly.
maybe Anonymous is the type of partner that just when you fight about everything.
No.
And then that's
No.
why your partner is scared to tell you even the little things.
Listen how calm she is.
Yeah.
I'm asking
She's
her.
come
No,
to
but
us.
I feel like he was just supposed to be honest. Like at first, like at the very first time
Yes.
you smell something that you're not comfortable with, you were supposed to voice it out. Look, like I'm smelling this, and it's not the way that you smell. I've never smelled you like this before. So, like, what's going on?
How does it smell,
Simple
Ian?
communication.
No,
give
it's
him.
about Anonymous.
Yeah.
Give
No, but
him.
how does it smell? I mean, he sounds like he smells of gold.
No, let me tell you, Anonymous, you said you don't eat much, right?
Yes.
And come on, guys, we all know that sometimes when we skip meals, we tend to have that problem. And it's just a little problem, but okay, let me have some water, let me have a snack, let me have an apple, let me have a banana. Now, Anonymous, are you saying your friends haven't told you this before? That
Family.
or family, that when you don't eat, your regular, like, and we're not saying meals, because you also said you wanted to increase like the kind of meals that you eat. You don't have to increase it, but you just have to have a little something. You have to snack in between
Banana.
that one meal. We are tandi banana, ngisho.
Now we're talking.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah,
at least we are tandi banana.
At
At least once in a while, banana.
What was the question, Naked? You are so long-winded.
I said,
Mm.
have her friends or family never told her about the bad breath?
Can she answer then?
Answer, Anonymous.
I've never been told. It was the first time that I've been told.
So you should thank him.
No, no, I refuse.
No.
For me, it's the tone. How is this tone? Anonymous.
Okay,
He
let's
was-
listen.
So me, to be honest, I've never seen. First of all, what I first look at is the facial expression when we are speaking. Guti, how is your face? And his face, like I've never seen that expression before. I even told him that I've never seen it. And if you are drinking something with your partner,
Guys.
you cannot have that facial expression.
Yes,
Let
they
me, hold on, guys. Let me
No,
tell you something.
no.
Even as colleagues, ne,
Yeah.
you know, Uguti, there's that one colleague that we all skinner about.
No.
And because we all scared to say, Ish maralo,
No.
hey,
No.
you know? And then Mina, Anonymous, this man needs a bells. It's a Friday. You need to
No.
buy him something. Umtengele, upuzan, umtengele, whatever he drinks, because your family never told you, your friends never told you. He had the
No.
he had the cojones to tell you that you have bad breath. Because everybody else is scared to tell you.
No. After how long did he
No,
tell you?
I
in the re-
disagree, Naked.
Yes,
So
I disagree.
sorry.
After how long did he, I thank God Naked is straight and I would never meet romantically because wow. And
Because you can't handle the truth.
no, I can't handle the
As
truth.
my
I can't
partner-
handle a bad tone.
How many jobs has Anonymous lost? How
No,
many friends has she
no,
lost? Maybe
no.
Because of what?
Nasisonto and she can't even sing a chorus abamceli because
It's not funny.
No.
Guys,
guys.
hey, we
No.
can't.
No, I don't like this.
Anonymous.
I don't like
No,
Anonymous.
but come on,
No,
guys.
no.
Friend.
Anonymous.
No.
No.
And it,
Like,
how,
could you tell me why he doesn't want to hear about it? Why he just shut down after everything? That's what I want to know, because like this is
Yes.
not a big deal. This is something
No.
that I can say
Anonymous,
like, in
I
a
agree.
different eye.
Let me
So
tell
I
you,
want to know.
Anonymous, you've probably had this bad breath for.
she doesn't have bad
Okay,
breath.
you don't have
Guys,
bad
we
breath,
just
but
concluded
But
nicely.
you know what we mean, Akir. We mean when you haven't eaten, when you have taken, a long time between meals. You've probably been like this since you guys met. But remember, it's nice snacking. Maybe you in the bedroom, he was like, "Hey, mara, ekamereni uyashisa lo muntu." Even though umoya wakhe will enter the dragon, but something makes up for it. But after a couple of months, then he's like, "Hey, we talk more than we in the bedroom." And now, when she hasn't eaten, I can't stand it. And Anonymous, he even offered you gum. And then the other week, when he exploded, he even said, but look, the other day I offered you gum and you didn't even take it. But Anonymous, luena umutojwang. You know that when
Wait,
anyone offers you gum, you know what that means, Anonymous.
Can I step in here?
Yeah, please
Anonymous,
do.
can I just ask you something? You were leading to whether you are still together or not. Let's find out the grounds. Did you fix the situation? Is it still the same? Because all of us are now smelling each other's breath. What's going on?
I really don't know what's going on now, Kuzo. And we've been like talking about this like over and over again, at such a point that I'm also like tired of explaining the same thing. I did say that I'll do better. I'll ensure that like I speak so that my breath doesn't smell anymore, because hygiene is a very huge deal, especially if you're in a relationship. So he just didn't understand that. He was like, he was just cold. And then I realized that the contact is starting to decrease, and he was just off.
Okay, Anonymous, can I just ask the guys,
Yeah.
is bad breath grounds for a breakup?
No, it's not. It's not.
It is.
No, it's not. It's not. It's if you
But
really.
guys, we said she
wait.
doesn't have bad breath.
Yes.
She
Yes.
only experiences that thing when she hasn't eaten, when she skips the meals, because she's a
Yes.
1 meal a day person. I am that person too.
Yes.
But I make sure that I do snack before I engage in anything intimate with anyone, Anonymous. So that's all I'm asking you.
Anonymous, bad breath. When it comes to bad breath, it's not grounds for breakup.
Okay.
Unless somebody has bad breath and still has a bad attitude, then you can't. You must be nice. You must choose one
You can't have
struggle.
both.
Exactly.
Okay.
You can't be fighting like
Anonymous, ne? After how long did he start commenting?
After how long?
Yo,
No, don't do that. I knew.
Eh?
I knew Naked was going to do that. I
hey, Anonymous.
knew he would do that.
Pardon for me, I didn't get that.
After how long did he start complaining about your bad breath?
The previous visits, I have not heard of that. It was this visit that I've heard about it, and it was after a week that I've been there, so I'm not sure when he started smelling the bed bread.
Okay, and two things that are very important that I've picked up. Not picked up, but yeah, picked up. How is he, Yena? Like, is he the most
stop it.
handsome? You know, is he the most gorgeous six pack in it? Because most of the time, Abon Bibos they like projecting. How is he as physically, Yena? Unjani?
Physically, he's a person that is.
Isho,
Oh, he's attractive.
Isho.
Physically, he's yo.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Wait. Anonymous. Hold it. We're coming back.
Hey, bo.
Let me tell you something about Phonia.
All right. Anonymous, are we back? Anonymous? Okay.
Yeah, I asked you a question. Anonymous, please be direct. Don't be. No one knows you. How is he physically, Yena?
He's okay. He just started going to the gym, starting to lose weight. But his skin tone, Nathi Koke Bandai.
What does that mean?
Coke ebandai.
What does that mean?
What does it mean?
Well,
And
he's got a nice
when
dark
he-
skin tone.
Pardon?
Is he dark skinned? What does the coke part
Yeah,
mean?
Yes.
he's dark skinned, and when he has sweat, like a very cold coat.
Nisi,
No, guys.
Nisi, I'm telling you, this guy, people who have got a tone like that most of the time, not all the time, are people who physically they don't have the best physique, so they want to bring you to their level of low self-esteem. If they are handsome and stuff, it's because bona inside they don't have confidence and stuff like that. And Nshilo,
Wena ufaku Anonymous umoyo mu.
no. But you don't know more movie, vele naye.
Eyes.
Anonymous.
Order.
Two. Do you have any chronic sicknesses or illnesses? You know, like diabetes or
No,
you don't.
none.
You right?
Valid question.
So nje ilokho zanakho is it's your talent. It's natural.
Wow.
What is my talent? Sorry.
Who?
I don't like this so much.
Let me tell you why. Ne? Okay, let me tell you why.
Going.
No, the first point, ne? You know, sometimes when people, and I think Anonymous is a nice person, because when people say offensive things, just because you're quiet does not mean you can't retaliate. It's not nice, you know. I once had somebody, a partner like that, who did this to me.
Sorry,
It's okay.
Son,
We're so
sorry.
sorry.
Anonymous.
Sorry.
In the beginning, everything is nice, and then all of a sudden they assume khaba. Athi muntu umkhaba wakho uyanyanyisa.
But now
Hayi, thuka wena. Athi muntu umkhaba wakhe uyanyanyisa. And as irritation yam. Yeah.
exactly. You see, because you can't take criticism.
No,
there's
it's a
those
tone.
partners that now you can't. You know,
Naked
you meet
sit on.
someone, and they say, you know what? When I start letting myself go, please tell me. And then when that person starts letting themselves go, you're like, ish, babe, you're starting to let yourself. Hey, wena, who's letting themselves go? Beka wena unchani. Wena,
No,
what
did-
you coke?
did you hear your-
Wena
did you hear your
Wena
tone?
uyini.
Naked,
Wena,
naked. Your tone was nice.
No.
Your tone was nice now.
Yeah,
You
much
said,
better.
hey, baby. I would
Much
never
better.
scream like that if my partner said, baby, sifuna sijime manje ngathi sesiyanona. Sometimes it's included now. You
Aye,
understand?
Wagmeling is included. When I have been
Unenhliziyo embi
when
wena.
I've been eating well,
No.
when you've seen me go to the gym, and then all of a sudden I must say we when there's only one fat person in the relationship.
No,
naked.
unenhliziyo embi wena
Also,
naked.
guys,
Unenhliziyo-
no.
And lo wathi kimi, you know, sister sibi.
Guys, let's bring it back. Anonymous, let's bring it back.
ngafihla ama-injection akhe insulin.
No, so Missy, bring it back.
So okay, hold on.
Bring it back,
Anonymous.
guys.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
Hi.
You and I are the same person. I also only eat once a day, right? But then I make sure that I snack. Now, if that doesn't work, Anonymous, you don't have to, because it seems like we are mnenga this guy. Hey, did your parents teach you to mnenga matot?
No.
Yeah. So stop mnengaring him. Just do what he has advised you to do, or what you know that you're supposed to do. Just snack. Even if you're not gonna, even if it's not heavy meals, just make sure you snack, because you're gonna meet friends, or you're gonna be in a shuttle somewhere, or at work when you guys are going somewhere. You don't want to be known as that person on a Moyo movie. You get what I mean? Because other
Yeah.
people won't tell you, but I'm glad he did, and so should you.
When was the last time you were intimate?
Anonymous
About
now.
a week ago.
Oh, okay.
Did you have
You're still
foreplay?
healthy.
Did you have foreplay? Did he kiss you, or did you just?
Hlokoloza.
Nah, phela we must.
Okay, it's a fair question.
Yeah.
Anonymous, if you'd like to answer. Was it foreplay?
Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. So I'm not able to.
You're not
okay.
able to. What does that mean?
I'm not able to say. Maybe if it's not there, it's because of the breast. If it's there, it's because of I don't know. Sometimes it's there,
Okay.
sometimes it's
No,
not.
I got you. I
Last
got
one,
you.
Anonymous.
Sometimes
Before,
you kiss,
I got you.
sometimes
before we
you
go,
don't.
I got you.
Anonymous, before you go, have you? Do you know you can tell if you've got bad breath, ne? Like you can
Njani?
go on your hand and stuff. Have you ever felt it when you do have a problem?
No,
You
because
see-
I drink water regularly. If I don't eat,
Yeah,
so
I have an
I've never
issue.
thought of that.
I have an issue, Anonymous. The decision is yours at the end of the day, because sometimes toxic partners can instill something that's not there in you. You know, it's like a child when a child was raised told good movie, they believe that for the rest of their lives.
I'm sorry, Sammy.
I know. Mara ngithi at least my mama ngitshela ukuthi urich wena, urich wena, urich. Wena bethi hamba lento enhle ehluphekayo. So Anonymous, the ball is in your court literally. Don't let anyone make you see things that are not there if they are not there. Be objective. If there's an issue, fix it. If you think and believe in your heart there's no issue, don't fix it. Fix the problem that is bringing the issue.
Do you say see things that aren't there or smell things that aren't there?
Both.
Kanjalo, kanjalo.
Cool.
Good luck, my baby. Love yourself. Put yourself first. Yes, umuhle wena.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Really
Uthenge
appreciate it.
Extra strong.
Extra
We love you, Anonymous.
We love you, Anoni.
You see. On 60, but also your voice notes. I think let's start here. Let's go to the voice notes.
Sometimes I don't know what we women want. Ne? This man was really honest with you. You know, me now would appreciate someone who tells me the truth than make me live with a lie. I like you're saying, it's something you can fix. Yes, it's there. Just try and fix it, baby girl. If really you think that's the reason maybe he left you, it's okay, Mara. At least he left you being honest with you. Fix it, baby girl. It's okay. Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
Guys,
Morning.
Anonymous, I just feel like the guy's just not that into you. Like, he's just not that into you. And maybe sometimes you just need to put yourself first and just talk. There's plenty of fish in the sea. You'll just find someone who's into you. Unlike now being in this position where you're questioning yourself about something like this. No. Noktula from Pretoria.
Not this song. I'm naked. I know it's you.
Naked, thank you. Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
not funny. Sorry, guys, but the song threw me off. But you know what? I think if Anonymous had bad breath, she would know. I mean, in her corner, she might have smelled if she does have bad breath or not. I feel like the guy is just making her feel or see things that are not there. As Somisi said, he's just trying to project his own insecurities on her. I mean, why wouldn't I know that I have bad breath? I ain't gay, Keshem. But this song, you
did it. Guti who? You are diabolical. Guti who? Ay, no. Ay, my extra strong. We're holes in a Listerine. Ay, bo. Oh.
I see you, Zulini.
Gentlemen, it's a wrap.
Indeed. It is.
Yeah, I think the first caller missed the part of the tone. You can tell, man, the tone is not nice.
Yeah. No, I get it. Look, I have to agree with one voice note where the guy is probably no longer into her. And even if it was because of the bad breath, but at the end of the day, he's no longer into her right now. Anonymous, cut your losses.
Do you think he's cheating?
Obvious. I mean, long distance
gotta be
relationship.
obvious.
Yeah.
Come on. Because when you want something, you work hard for it to keep it.
I'm telling you, like, you would know when you've got a problem at some point. You would know. Like, mina ngidlala ngeChappies, guys. Yo, ngiyazazi mina mloma mnuka every 2 seconds.
Wow.
Lento engithwele ngayo.
I love you guys.